Exposing the child whisperer myth in Utah custody cases. There's a persistent idea in child custody cases that certain professionals, private guardian ad litems and custody evaluators, have a special ability to extract truth from children, that they're uniquely qualified, that courts should defer to them. But when you look closely, that assumption doesn't hold up. The skills involved, or allegedly involved, asking open-ended questions, avoiding leading language, observing responses, they aren't exotic. They're fundamental. Lawyers and judges use them every day. Even if we assume these professionals are somewhat better than a judge or a lawyer, that doesn't justify replacing direct evidence with their summaries. That's not how evidence works anywhere else. We don't replace witnesses with reports. We don't replace testimony with interpretation. We rely on records, verbatim, reviewable, testable records. That's the standard everywhere else. But in custody cases, we invert that. Instead of hearing from the child directly, we rely on someone else to ask the questions, allegedly, select what matters, and present a summary. And those interviews aren't recorded, at least not in Utah. That's the real problem. No recording, no transcript, no way to verify what was asked or how the child responded. That creates a black box. You can't see inside it. But the conclusions are treated as authoritative anyway. And then there's cost. These professionals can cost thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars. That creates a pay-to-play dynamic. If you can't afford the expert, your child's voice may not meaningfully reach the court. That should raise concerns. Transparency fixes most of this. If the process is sound, it should be recorded. It should be reviewable. It should withstand scrutiny. If it can't, the problem isn't the scrutiny. The problem is the process itself. The solution isn't to eliminate professionals. It's to put them in the right role, supplementing the record when needed, not replacing it. Because at the end of the day, this isn't about who asks the questions. It's about whether the court receives evidence or just a story about it.